What's good, y'all? It's your girl Rain Dollars, period, and welcome back to Dollasmenu. So we have successfully completed our first year of Vlogmas, and I'm so proud of that. And we are moving on. It is officially New Year's Eve, and it's about to be 2021 in like 4 hours. And I just can't believe how fast this year went. But y'all, this hair is a metaphor for 2020, because literally I went through a year of growth. Clearly, like growth. Like my hair, I think I cut my hair all through school. I should just do a whole journey on my natural hair journey, a whole video on my natural hair journey, because this is crazy to me that I even have a ponytail that's touching the back of my neck. But it's New Year, so I wanted to take this ponytail a step up and extend it. This is also a requested video, so why not? So I have here some Got to Be Glued spiking gel, some Eco Styler that I may or may not use. I may just use it to treat the Yaki perm braiding hair. I'm just gonna do a long braided ponytail, nothing too serious. If I had weave, I would show y'all how to wrap it on, but I always can add that on later. That could be another video, or I'll put it right here. I have a video showing you how to add weave to your ponytail. So I'm gonna also use my Murray's wax, beeswax. Usually I would need a blow dryer, but my hair is pretty straight, so I'm not gonna like think too hard about this hairstyle. And I also have a wrap to wrap it up. So first thing I'm gonna do is my edgies. We're gonna make them look like somebody cares. I'm basically gonna take a boatload of this wax. I'm gonna put it on the base. That's more so what I'm worried about. Focus on the base. And I don't know what I'm getting cute for. Y'all drop a comment below. What are y'all doing for New Year's? Because I'm not really even doing much, but I still want it to look like a Barbie. And I'm pretty sure after today, I literally won't have nothing to do this for. So might as well bring in the new year with a bang and set the tone for the rest of your year. Okay, we got a good base going on. I'm going to take my spiking gel, and I ran out of spray, but I'm going to use my spiking gel to do my edges, just so that it still has that hard look. Have a really straight hairline, so I don't really have edges. I'm going to take that and swoop. Some of your New Year's resolutions. Go ahead and drop a comment below, and I'm gonna comment and let you know if mine are similar or the same, because I actually do have a little list this year. Glasses off. I love to pull these hairs out right here. That's just kind of my style, but I don't have on my contacts, so I have no idea what it's gonna look like. But I will fix these later. They curl up real cute, actually. So I'm just gonna pull them down, and later we will put some gel on them to give that look. Ponytail, and just put our ponytail right in place where we had it, or a little higher, but it'll just hold those flyaways. I think I'm gonna go a little higher right here at the tippy top. Use some brush, hard side. So it's just a smoother, real tight pony, no flyaways. That's how we want it. I don't want anything too crazy like I said because I'm not going dumb, but we'll go ahead and wrap this. All right, and I am back. Ponytail intact. Just gonna take that, comb it out a little. It's curling up, y'all. My hair was so cute. This is my first time like putting product in it since it's been straightened. That was my first time straightening my hair in 2 years. Go watch that video. But I think this is gonna be the hardest part just because braiding hair can be like tricky to deal with. It tangles. Leave it as it is. I'm going to split this in basically 3s, with the first part being the thickest. So I'm gonna take my gel. 8 minutes. And did y'all have a good year? Drop down your the highlight. I'm gonna gel my braiding here. Put it on the base of the ponytail now. I'm gonna split my real hair into 3. Combining, so there should just be one section that's without hair. You should see that now. That side. You want to make this part really tight. So start to braid. Really tight, because that first piece has to stay secured up here. So you always can stick a bobby pin in it later, so don't worry if you can't get it, but try to just snatch the life out of it. I'm now going to split a little bit of this hair into that piece that's shortest. You want to pull all the way to the bottom, because like I said, braiding hair gets tricky. Keep braiding. If you were doing a weave added, it wouldn't matter how this looks because you're adding weave on top of this braiding hair. But it really matters if I'm doing an exposed braid like this ponytail here. On. She's on. I'm gonna take that. I actually did a ponytail. The ponytail that I'm telling y'all about, that was for New Year's, so that's really crazy. Really, like, you just want to thin it out so it kind of looks not natural, but as natural as it's gonna look. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll see y'all in a second. All right, she is back, y'all. Full face. Y'all see the details? Nothing too crazy. She's fleeky. Take a little bit of this and I'll go here and I curl these. You see that? This one's a little stuck to me. I just want to say thank y'all for watching Dollasmenu. This was my quick and easy New Year's Eve braided ponytail tutorial. Nothing too neat, nothing too crazy. Nobody should judge you too much for this ponytail. It's nice and cute. You always want to chop away those extra ends, but I don't even care. It's 2021. I got my new Brandon Blackwood bag. New bag for the new year because I'm stuffing it to my new bags and period. So thank y'all for watching Dollasmenu. We are on the road to 1,000. Peace.